Boyz came out winners of their irrelevant game against Grenada. It was the first game in charge for Rudolph Speed and his new look coaching staff. For what it was worth, which was not much really, they looked organized in making passes and keeping possession and pressing when out of possession, playing the kind of basic football that was woefully absent when Steve McLaren was in charge. And again, this was Grenada, ranked 164 in the world, and we should have scored 3 or 4 more goals and be more decisive in getting that irrelevant result in an irrelevant game. Remember now, no more than 2 or 3 players who played in this game will travel to Mexico for the playoffs in March. And of those 2 or 3 who will make the trip, doubt if any of them will get onto the pitch. And so, the Maverick just spent the last 2 minutes doing some brilliant analysis on an irrelevant game.